Okay. Oh, now it is.
That thing is on now. Okay, let's
Yeah.
put it here. August 14th, I think we did August 8th yesterday, right? Let's go
Yeah.
for March 8th then. It was 2019, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
March 8th, let's do 11. Okay, looks good. Excuse me. Let's go with 10%. Like
Yep.
last time. Holy crap. The week before it dropped 300, 400. It's crazy.
Yeah.
What happened? Alright, let's do the same thing. Let's go to pre-London Open.
Yep. You consider that like Asian low, right?
No, this is 2 hours before London Open.
Yeah. But the low you put it there is like,
yeah, it's the Asian low.
Oh yeah. Okay, nice.
Yeah. I think so right now I see that we have a minor resistance here.
Yeah.
And so there's a gap here for the week open.
Yeah.
Potentially, I think it will break this minor resistance, just a small resistance, and then maybe a retest back, and then fill this, and potentially fill this one, cover this wick too.
Okay.
So we'll see how you react on this part.
Yep.
I want to take a buy here right now, but I'm gonna wait till it do a small retest here.
Okay.
So one of my confirmation I use is no, absolutely 0 wick.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a buy right away. 10%. This is my stop loss. Just 5 pips.
Yeah.
From this part. And TP. Where's TP? I'm gonna do a first TP here.
Yep.
40 pip. And then this is the final TP.
Yeah.
Hey, what website are you using to backtest?
Sorry, what?
What website are you using to backtest?
What lot size?
No, to backtest.
Yeah.
What
Like,
website are you using?
oh, what software?
Yeah.
It's called Soft for FX. So, Soft.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So right now we are half an hour before London Open.
Yep.
And London opened at 7 o'clock here.
Yeah. So how come that you wanted it to fill the gap? Like, why made you took that trade?
Because the gap doesn't always fill, so don't take that as advice. It doesn't always get filled. But I see that there was on 5 minutes here just before pre-London.
Yeah.
The price was making just a small minor resistance. It want to break, but it was waiting the London to open to break this part.
Okay.
So you broke a little bit, retested. The best entry would be here, but I took it from this candle. That's why the stop loss was before for this.
Yeah.
So the stop loss here. So, yeah.
Okay.
And sometimes in London it will reverse back and then continue up. So my first TP would be this line.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a partial profit. Let's go with 80%. And then break even, just in case it reverse. And let's continue.
All right, everyone.
Hey, Daryl.
You right?
How you doing?
Yeah, not too bad, not too bad.
It's good.
And you?
Good. Thank you. Just had just had lunch, you know. And tomorrow we don't have as you said, the UK have a holiday, so there's no trade.
Yeah, it's a bank holiday tomorrow. Yeah.
Exactly. So just relaxing today, playing some sim.
Yeah, this slave GJ.
Yeah. These two candles. This one was the rejection candle, followed by a bigger rejection. So I'm gonna move my stop loss higher. So the next trade for me would be pre-London now. Pre-London is at 10 o'clock here, just about 2 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, so after 10 a.m. here, is my second trade of the day for the pre New York Open. So we'll see how it react to this point.
Yeah.
Finding some sort of rejection on 5 minutes or 15 minutes here. Some confirmation.
Yeah.
It's good enough. 16, 20. First TP on that, and second and final on the wick. So first one would be the recent high.
Yeah.
About 50 pips, and then let one go to, let's see if we can fill the wick.
Yeah.
This one.
So you marked the low there. It was because the London low, right?
That was the before this.
Yeah, the push. Yeah.
This jump. Before this jump, this is the
FTR. Yeah, that's like FTR, isn't it?
So I'm gonna use that.
Okay. Yeah.
Should go up from there, or either go down, wait for it to break, and then.
If it reject, I mean, if you break the support, then I see it continue going to this zone.
Yeah.
Look like, let me see if I can draw here. So if it do this, it will be like this. Okay, let's do this.
Yeah, it should be buys, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like fun.
So London, I mean, New York open at
12.
12, yes. So in 2 hours.
Everything is written up here.
Yeah.
But you're 100% sure it's open at 12, right? This GMT, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, the thing is that then I have back tested wrong time, you know. I always take the GMT, and London Open I have taken it like at 8 a.m.
Oh.
And New York Open at like 14 GMT. So it's like 2 hours late, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The time zones always confuse me too.
Yeah, but now I know. So that's good. That's why I asked you again.
Yeah.
This is for New York, right?
Yeah, this is 1 hour before New York Open. So New York Open at 12 here on this time.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna put the tray on break even, just in case when the New York Open, you just do some random stuff. Okay, let's take some profit. Let's do 50%.
So your confirm was best on the 50 minutes. This one, right?
My yeah, that's right. On this one is the 50 minutes candle. So my setup is 30 minutes, 1 hour on the support resistance, sometimes on 5 minutes, on the minor resistance or support, and also for the confirmation candles. And New York opened. This candle is scary. It's just looks like it's gonna go bottom. But let's hope.
We can break that resistance, it should go up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the majority of people will see like double tops on the 1 hour,
Yeah.
30 minutes, 50 minutes, and take a sell, right? And then get.
Yeah, I used to look like that way too for the New York Open. That's why I started trading just 2 hours before the opens, and then I just hold those trade.
Yeah.
If it reject, it's fine. I already have the profit here and have a break-even trade. And if continue, then I would just have more profits.
Yeah.
So hopefully I will feel this week.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should fall that quick.
Because I don't see a major resistance here on the side.
So, like, what do you say about this resistance here?
There?
Yeah.
Like this?
Well, you don't. Is it that the minor resistance, or is it a stronger resistance about the above one you have taken?
I see this one is a stronger one.
How come?
See. I don't know really. I don't know really how to explain that. It's just from experience. I feel that this is a stronger one.
Yeah. Nice one.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the London close. Oh, which is right now, I think. Yeah, London close. So London close in 1 hour.
Yep.
And as you know, I like to take trade before it happens. So I'm gonna take 1 hour before, and I'm gonna mark this high. If I break this high,
Yeah,
do some sort of retest, I would enter another buy.
Yeah.
And go to this resistance.
It's because the momentum is up, right?
Yeah, it's very strong today for Monday.
If it does break, would it do a retest and then go all the way up?
I don't think it's gonna go all the way up here.
No,
But
no,
since
meaning like, you know, the little line that you drew, is
This
it
one?
gonna, yeah, no, just, yeah, this one. If it does break up,
yeah,
would it do like a small, like a little retest and then go where
Yeah.
the gray box is?
yeah.
Oh,
So I'm gonna wait for the 5 minutes here
okay.
if it break, and then do some sort of retest, maybe back this zone or even retest this one.
Okay.
Then I will take a buy. Yeah, because in last week we dropped 450 pips, and this is retrace. It's a big retrace.
Mhm.
We might actually go to here. This is even stronger. But since this is a London close, we're not gonna take that much profit.
Yeah.
We're just gonna take the closest resistance or support. So it seems like it's breaking right now. Let's go for the faster.
So usually, is it like some rules you have, Quinton? Like the first 50 minutes is pushes, and like, or is it like the half of the hour it pushes?
Can you repeat that question?
Like the 15 minutes at the new hour.
Yeah.
Does it make a push, like make a wick high and then make a wick low before it pushes up?
Oh, so you're asking if it like the first 15 minutes or even the first 30 minutes gonna push for a wick and then reverse?
Yeah.
Depend on the situation, and not really, to be honest. You just go by what's happening in the in the candlesticks.
Yeah. Okay.
Because sometimes it's a wick, sometimes it's not a wick. It actually continue, right?
Yeah. Oh, I see a head and shoulder pattern maybe on the 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
But if the price keep rejecting this minor support,
Yeah.
it might go up. But I do see a head and shoulder.
Yeah.
So yeah, when situation like this, I see buy and sell. Like I see buy here from this candle. I see it supporting the price, and it might continue go up to this zone.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I also see. I also see what you say. Head and shoulder.
Yeah. But 5 minutes it's not a confirm for a sell, right? Because the bias is up still, right?
Yeah,
like,
if the price actually broke in this part,
yeah,
and then do a retest here,
yeah,
and I will take a sell.
yeah.
But my bias right now is bullish.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna take anything actually.
Yeah. Because 15 minutes is ranging, right? It's like sideways movement. Yeah.
So I'm not gonna take a sell.
Yeah.
Because on London close is unless it's a very clear trade, then I'll take it. But for London close, I don't like taking something that will risk my profit of the day, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Yeah, so by this time, I'm not gonna take any trade anymore
Yeah.
after London close.
Yeah, and London close at 15 GMT, right?
London close at 15 GMT, that's right. Man, it's crazy. GJ is crazy.
Yeah.
All right, let's move on to the next day.
So let's say on the 1 hour, if you look at it, so the trend has changed, right? So how do you confirm that the trend has changed? Like, how do you do it?
For me, I don't look at the 4 hour one or daily for like the trend trading. I just look at what happened during my trading time. Let's say like right here in London, I just saw the buy. I took the buy.
Yeah.
If it broke this, then I'll take a sell. I don't care if it's the trend is changed to the bullish or bearish. Because I'm scalping, right? I'm not a daily swing trader, so I don't really care about that.
Yeah, but you'd use a higher time frame, so isn't it, to get that bias or to see where we are in the sense of price?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now is almost pre-London. All right, so mark the zones for pre-London. Looks like he's not doing anything right now. So when the price reach this zone, my resistance or support, let's see how the price react, and then I will go from there, either break and retest for buy or reject for sell, or the opposite way here on support.
Okay.
So right now it's half an hour before London. Let's look at 1 minute real quick. Yes. I'm gonna take a small buy here. 3 minutes, all right. Okay. So the reason I'm taking buy here is the price is rejecting on this support. That are marked is the lowest, is the low wick here.
Yeah.
And this candle looks good for confirmation candle. And I'm gonna, it looks like my bias is gonna be continue to go down. So my profit taking for today is just a small one. I'm not gonna break. Actually, I'm gonna just trade, modify. Let's see. If it break, I'm gonna take a profit there. So second TP, first TP here.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So London just opened.
So where have you set your TP at, Quinton?
My TP is, first TP is this part,
All right.
this one. And then second TP would be if it continue to break.
All right. Break that resistance over there.
Yeah, but since Monday already went up for 360 pip, because Monday usually doesn't move that much. So what I see is this is creating the high of the week and then continue to go down. So
Yeah.
I'm thinking it's gonna drop. So I am gonna take 90% and then break even and see what happens. So that is the pre-London Open trade. Next trade would be at 10 o'clock in 2 hours. We have news. GDP news.
Yeah.
I think with that 1 hour candle that just formed over there, I think I'd take a sell from there because that looks like a bit of rejection. You know, that doji that formed over there on the 1 hour.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I see that too. I see this one rejection too. But yeah, because I don't. Yeah, my rules is 30 minutes prior. I'm not gonna take a trade anything before my set time. And my time is at 10 o'clock here for pre-London, so I'm not gonna take a trade because usually I'm not on the computer. But it does make sense. It does. You know what? I'm gonna take a sell for you. I'm gonna close mine. I'm gonna take a sell. Where do you want the stop loss to be at?
Yeah. How many is that? 20 pips.
Right there's good.
Yeah, that's right there.
TP. Where do you want TP at, Daryl? I think this is a good zone.
Yeah, I think that's good there because that's like the FTR over there. I'd say over there will be good.
Yeah.
Oh, nice one. Yeah, on the news too, right?
Oh, there's news.
Oh yeah. Just forgot. The
Yeah.
news was 10 minutes ago, yeah. So it was forecast. Was not good.
Actual, it was good, right?
TP actual forecast. Actually it was, yeah.
So that means if it's good, GPP should go up, right?
Yeah. But I don't always follow the fundamentals. It messed up the chart sometimes. There's something a rejection. And so put it as break even. Just in case it pop. So 10 o'clock, starting 10 o'clock would be my second trade. So if this break, I'm gonna take a break and retest.
Yeah.
And let's see what happened. Oh damn.
Nice.
Oh.
So do you set like a sell stop and stuff like that?
No, I don't use pendings. Oh. So I'm gonna wait for a retest here and I'm gonna take a trade.
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes you take the retest with the candle retest, and then sometimes you take the small retest, right?
What do you mean?
Let's say like this one pushed down, right? And
Yeah,
sometimes it comes up a little, and then
Oh,
it pushes down.
like basically an instant retest. Like this candle it dropped, and
Yeah.
then the next candle. Hold on. Oh, let me pause this. So the next candle, you say it go back here, instant retest, and then continue.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sometimes I take those two, but usually I wait for a leap for you retest. That this is more safe, but on GJ it does go back right away and then drop.
Yeah.
Does not wait for you. But this
Oh yeah,
is this is more safest side for me.
yeah, with the candles showing rejection at the resistance, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good, thanks.
40 pip. All right. Damn.
Yeah.
If there is some sort of confirmation here, I would have taken a sell, but I guess we missed it.
Yeah. Nice trade, the DBH.
Yeah, Daryl.
Daryl, yeah.
Yeah, I like Daryl.
So Daryl would have caught this sell, and I would have missed this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd have bought that one, yeah.
So when you say you missed that one, you will not take the trade anywhere there after the week?
No, because I was waiting for a confirmation here, but it doesn't present itself, so there's no trade for me.
Yeah, that's true.
So I'm still waiting for one trade if I cannot get in.
Yeah.
For London, New York. New York open in 45 minutes. Let's see where the next resistance, next support.
It was a massive move though, isn't it?
Yeah. Must gotta be in March. Was it Brexit? Something going on that week?
No idea.
Yeah, so New York open, and I still don't have a trade, so I'm just skipping this section. I'm gonna go to London close.
Yeah.
14. So London close. See what happened here.
So do you see buys or sells?
Right now, I think for London close, I don't see anything, to be honest. I don't see a trade coming up.
No.
Yeah, I'd wait for it on the 1 hour to see how it reacts on that FTR on the 1 hour. See how it reacts on there. If it can break that zone, I'd go for buy. But if it doesn't, I'd most probably take a sell.
Oh, Daryl, when you talk about FTR, it's this one right here. It failed to go back here, right?
Yeah, that one there.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, then the FTR is a strong zone, right?
Yeah, it is quite a strong zone. Yeah.
Okay, okay. And Quinton, your confirmation was the hourly close bearish, right? The candle, right?
Yeah, the 30 minutes and 1 hour close exact same candle.
Okay.
And there's this is a big hint. The when 30 minutes and 1 hour print the exact same candle, and there's a long wick closing bearish candle. I see that it will fill this wick, and the next support is on this one. And for London close, I don't take a big profit. I don't go crazy, go to like take profit here. I take on the first support or resistance. So this is the first one I see. So I'm gonna just take it there.
So you just take the trades like at the 14 GMT, like you start there to see what you
14,
like. And
14 o'clock, so which is 1 hour before it close, the London close.
So how far in to 16 GMT or even
No,
further?
to 15. What is it at London close at 15, right? Yeah, 15. So just about 15:30, half an hour after it close. That's and then I'm done for the day.
Okay.
If there's no trade, there's no trade, because London close does not always present a trade.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the hardest part is patience for me.
Yeah, the London close trade takes forever.
Yeah.
All right.
Nice one.
Go. Okay, so we're gonna go for next day for London Open. Every day my markup is sorry. Look like we have a trade right away.
Yeah, it's a retest there. Yeah.
Yeah, it broke the Asian high. And then we are currently on a retest. So I
But
think
there's no wick on the bullish candle there on the 30 minutes. How do you see?
yeah, it broke this support. I mean,
Yeah.
right? It doesn't matter if there's no wick or not for that. But I
Okay.
also do see 1 hour. Right. But it doesn't make sense to go up. See how you react on here. This is my first trade would be after 5 o'clock. So we'll see 5 more minutes.
Yeah.
I think we can take a buy here. This candle. So this bullish engulfing close above the resistance here, and then the second candle also close above.
Yeah.
So take a buy.
But the hourly and the 30 minutes closed bearish under your.
This one, right?
Yeah.
So when this happened, I see it so bullish, and then the next one instant close back. If on a smaller time frame, the candle looks like, so this one broke down, right?
Yeah.
And then the second candle or third candle failed to close above and show rejection candle like this.
Yeah.
The second candle, if this look like this, then I would take a sell. But this time we close bullish engulfing, so I think I'm just gonna continue go up.
Okay. Oh, you see the same, Daryl?
Yeah, I see the same as well with that engulfing over there on that 5 minute.
Oh yeah. Yeah, if it was me, I think I would take a sell.
Okay, so TP, let's figure out where to TP. So next high.
Yeah.
And this one's also good too. Okay. Let's see. Target 1 That's the next one, next support. I mean, next resistance, second resistance.
Yeah. Nice.
So one more hour for London Open.
Yeah.
Ooh. 30 pip candle. Okay, let's take some profit. So 80%. Break even. And so right now, yeah, I'm just holding the tray. Next one would be pre-London, pre-New York Open at 10 o'clock.
You say you're taking a trade pre-New York, but New York opens at 12 GMT, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, 12 GMT. That's when New York Open.
Yeah.
And then I take 2 hours before the London. The 2 hours before New York Open. That is my pre-New York trade.
All right. Okay. No worries.
So which is starting at 10 o'clock here. Let's see if I can find anything right now.
Are you UK based? Are you?
Am I sorry? What?
Are you UK?
No, I'm not UK. I'm in Canada.
All right. 5 o'clock in the morning. Wow.
Yes, that's right. And for the new London Open, pre-London Open is 12 a.m.
Wow.
Yeah.
Quentin is up. Crack. I don't know how he does it.
God, I struggle to get up and I live in the UK.
Okay, so the recent high, if for the pre-London, pre-New York trade, if it break this, then I will take another buy. So small buy here, and we'll see. And my market limit. Okay, so it's kind of rejecting this resistance. Problem, I want to take a sell here, but the problem I have is the 30 minutes closing above this 2 candle. So I'm gonna wait. See what happens. I want to take a sell based off this candle rejecting this resistance. But since 30 minutes have a bullish engulfing covering the last 2 candle and close above. So right now 30 minutes I see buy, 5 minutes I see sell. I'm not going to do anything just yet. See this hour close and see what if this candle close below or above. So this candle close above, and we are on a new hour, just 1 hour before New York open, and I think we got a buy here. This candlestick looks good. 5 minutes, 15 minutes looks okay. I broke this one, so I'm gonna delete this too. So I'm basing off this one, and let's take a buy. So for the London trade, from here, the London trade, we enter pre-London. We took out TP somewhere, I forgot. And then this was my second TB for London. And now for the New York, I'm gonna do TP, first TP back here again, and second for the next one. That makes sense to you guys.
And all that rejection was by that FTR on the 1 hour, as you can see. Remember, we were talking about that FTR.
To be honest, for myself, I don't even know what PR and F something is.
Oh,
I don't even know.
oh, it failed to return here, right? So 1 hour? You can come back down here, right?
Yeah.
Right.
It failed FTR and F what?
And
What's the other one?
FTB. FTB.
What's
Yeah.
FTB? Fail.
The
Go
FTR
back.
failed to reverse or failed to return, and then first time back.
First
Thank you.
time back.
Yeah.
So many terms I don't even know. Five minutes for London, New York Open, New York Open.
Hey Quinton, do you only trade GJ or do you trade anything else as well?
No, I only trade GJ. I don't know how to trade anything else.
Really?
Yeah, I tried, but it doesn't. I can't trade GJ. I mean, I can't trade other pair like GJ, so I just focus on
How long have you been trading GJ for?
GJ for about 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah. 1.5, 2, something like that.
Yeah, as the people say, stick to one pair, master the pair, and marry the pair, and you own the pair.
Yeah, I used to trade like UJ, EJ, gold. I actually started with gold. Gold was fun, and then I just suck at it, so I just focus on GJ.
Yeah.
So right now is half an hour after London. Goddamn, half an hour after New York Open.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's put it as break even. And Brexit vote. In what time? Brexit vote. What time is it? 13. So 6 hour. Oh my god, today's Brexit vote. It got rejected. So what happened? I don't remember. This is this is a dangerous week. That's why. That's why it's crazy. Monday 370, 200. We going for 200 again. Close this. So this would be my London close coming up. London close at 15. Let's see. Goddamn Brexit. Yeah, I wouldn't trade anything because of the Brexit right now. In a couple hours.
Okay, if you pause it there, Quinton, like let's say they're on the 5 minutes, you see it rejected here somehow. Like, will you like close the trade manually? Like, when will you close the trade manually?
I don't. I usually, if I see that happen,
Yeah.
I just move my stop loss higher.
Ah, okay.
Because I already took a profit here, right? I already took
Yeah.
a profit here. Yeah, I already took profit here, so I'm good. I have the profit already. So this is my bonus trade, bonus
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
profit. So I don't close it. I just let it run because I see the second TP going.
Yeah. Ah, I see. Yeah.
Yeah, just in case it actually go. I don't want to miss those profits. So I will move my stop loss around here.
Yeah, perfect.
This candle below this one. All right, let's go to Brexit. When is Brexit? 19, 16, 19, 16. Let's go to 19. Obviously, we're not going to trade that. 19. So at this point, I'm still holding that.
Yeah.
I have 130 gap. Okay. So when news like this come up,
Yeah.
the spread go crazy. So I have stop loss, and my trade would be a big gap, just like before.
Yeah. Yeah, second TP hit. Nice one.
Yeah. And then Brexit just released. Oh man.
So was it positive news, or can you see that?
It was the Brexit rejection.
Okay.
Yeah, it got rejected.
Oh yeah. Okay.
That's why it's still going on at this time. Usually it doesn't move.
But if so, Brexit was rejected. So why does the pound go up?
I don't know. When news like this come up, we can't predict
Okay.
what's gonna go for the chart. Sometimes when the news say is positive or negative, it should go up or it should go down. The chart doesn't always follow. So just gotta put your stop loss. If you're a student trade, you gotta put your stop loss at break even.
Yeah.
Just in case shit happens. Okay, let's go to next day. We're not trading here. Go to London Open, pre-London. Alright, this is a mess. Doing everything.
Quentin, do you swing as well, or you just hold?
No.
You just. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't swing. I just scalp and intraday. Oh damn, 500 pips for Brexit. 400. Okay. I don't know what's gonna happen today. It looks messed up.
Yeah.
It looks, yeah. Since Asian, this looks it's not going anywhere. So what I'm gonna do is wait for.
Break and retest, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna break this or this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think wait for those zones that you've already marked out. Wait for that to break and retest and enter the retest.
Yeah, and yeah, I need a solid brick, a candle brick, and then retest up.
Yep.
Okay, so 5 o'clock. What's today? Thursday. All right. Thursday. I think it's gonna be a slow day.
Yeah, because
Is
all
there
the
any
moves.
news?
Yeah, Monday. Oh, hold on. What's going on? So Monday, 400. Tuesday, 270. Wednesday, 300. I think the rest of the week is gonna be a slow week. Slow Thursday and slow Friday. Too much.
Yep.
All right, let's slow down. Let's slow down. See what's going on. Bless you. Thank you. Okay, we need a retest somewhere here. Okay. So 5 minutes before London Open, we are gonna take this signal.
Yeah.
This one looks like a good retest. Let's go with buy.
Buys, yeah, I'd go with buys as well.
Yeah. And then this
Yeah.
is time pip is go for.
So it's called Evening Star, right? That candle. Oh.
I don't know the name.
Daryl, what's the name?
Yeah. If it's bullish, it's a morning star. If it's,
Yeah.
if it's bearish, it would be a evening star.
Yeah. Okay, Morning Star.
Yeah. Sometimes you know that I don't know a lot of things too. I don't know names. Names confuse me.
Yeah.
I just call all this rejection candle or confirmation candle. It's good enough.
Yeah.
Quentin, why did you that a 5-minute chart? Why did you mark that area with the white strip just
This
right
one?
there? Yeah.
So this was this blue part was from basically a resistance, right?
Yeah.
First off, the blue one.
Mhm.
From here, blue, and then it's too big, 20 pip zone for me.
Okay.
So I want to see I want something smaller to be
Okay, yeah.
more precise
Okay, good.
for the
Yeah.
entry. So that's why I want something on this part, the 5 minutes. So I
Okay,
see,
good.
I go from 30 minutes, 50 minutes gap or zone, and then if the gap or zone is too big, I go with low time frame. I see this candle rejecting here, so this is my sort of zone.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, because the zone you marked there, as Kat says, it was very good zone because it rejected it that precisely.
Yeah.
So Daryl, do you see this one as a FTR? Is it that's why he took that zone?
Yeah, I see that as FTR. Yeah, that's FTR.
Okay. Yeah, because I can see you marked that one and then this one here to be the rejection zone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's a FTR. You know that FTR can, you know,
Yeah.
it's a good signal.
It's okay for people who don't know what they are. It's okay. I don't know too.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm still
Yeah,
learning.
he's the expert. Yeah, and Daryl. Ooh. It's not looking good. We Gucci. We good. We okay. This candle safe us. This one.
Yeah. Yeah, if you post it, like sometimes I see like you see that the 5 minutes candle,
Yeah.
0725, the last 5 minutes of the half hour, it pushes hard, right?
The last 5 minutes of the last hour.
Yeah, no, oh this one, yeah.
This one.
The 25,
This is,
yeah.
Oh, last 5 minutes of the 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So sometimes it does that,
Okay.
but not all the time.
Okay. So, like, when you trade, like, do you find patterns or just trade like on the?
I see pattern too. I see both.
Oh, yeah.
It's just like yesterday we had some right here. Remember we have something like this.
Yeah.
Right. It was something like this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This triangle, bullish, whatever pattern. I don't know the name, but I know what it is.
Yeah.
So,
oh yeah, it broke up and yeah.
Yeah. I don't always use it, but I see it. If I see it, then it's great. But I don't usually just support resistance, very basic stuff. Time is it? 40 minutes. So right now it's 1 hour after London Open.
Yeah.
Because another tip is that when 1 hour and 30 minutes after London Open, sometimes it does a reversal.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't trade that time. I just take profit right here, take profit, and then usually happens at 1 hour and 30 minutes after the open.
So
It
0.8030. You trade to 8.30.
No, I trade my entry is ended at London Open at 7:30, and if my second trade is the pre-New York. So
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna write that up.
but I won't take any trade.
So yeah, if you see market structure here, it's like it broke up here, retest this one here.
Yeah,
Came up, broke, retest this one, and then pushed up.
that's perfect. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you miss this entry,
Yeah.
you can enter here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See if this one had a no wick bottom would be another signal that I use.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And we're gonna go to 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Alright. I see.
Yes, this one is hard one, I think, because it's middle of the
Middle of the
range,
song,
right?
right? Middle of the two range.
Yeah.
I see dropping. Let's see. Let me look at more things.
Yeah. It should drop.
Why, Daryl? Why?
Well, if you look at the 1 hour, you've got the, if you see the candle, you've got a reversal candle, which is a tweezer tops. And then if you look at like over here on the 5 minute, you've got on the beginning of the actual move when you started dropping, you've got that harami, you know what I mean? The bearish harami formation on top over there. So even on the 30 minute and on the 50 minute, you know what I mean? You've got the same candle formation, you know what I mean? It's a reversal. So
Okay, can you write? Can you annotate? So show me, like, yeah.
if you have a look at the beginning of the move, when price reversed.
Yeah, at the top there.
Right on the top, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got on the 1 hour, you've got the tweezer top, the formation.
Yeah, towards the top. Yeah.
Then if you
That's
look,
a reversion. Yeah.
Yeah, and then if you look on the 15 minute, 30 minute, and 5 minute, you've got the bearish harami that has formed as well at that top, you know what I mean? So basically you can see that's going to drop.
So bearish
I'll
harami
just wait.
which candles harami?
Can you see on the top of the move on the 15, 30, and the 5 minute?
Yeah.
Yeah, you've got a harami formation right on top of the move. At the beginning of the move, when it started
This one?
coming bearish, right on top. Yeah, that's a harami formation over there. I take that as a harami formation.
Because it's a harami. So harami it means that the candles inside the body, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, right. I heard of that one. Oh, I was confused. So I heard of that one, but I never use it. It doesn't make sense. So this one, what you're saying, Daryl, is this candle. This candle is inside this candle.
Yeah. It's like how you get the engulfing, but you have the harami. You know what I mean? So
Is it also They also call it the what is it? The pregnant lady or something like that.
Yeah, something like
Yeah,
that.
yeah. But I never pay attention to them. Like I don't understand the names.
Yeah, see, there's so many different names.
I know.
I just give up
Yeah.
on the names. I'm like, whatever.
Harami in Japanese means pregnant.
Right.
Okay.
Pregnant lady and with the baby inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard of that one before too. Nice. Good stuff. Okay, all right. So let's see this range. 50 range. Yeah, let's see a cell here. Yes, make it more precise.
Oh yeah, it already broke there on 5 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, but it looks ugly, but I do see this pattern.
Head and shoulder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think we can get a sell, but to be safe, I'm gonna put a stop loss here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm, 22. So this is the pre-New York trade.
Yeah.
You see, that's why I take it. The pre-New York starting at 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Usually when I see that this kind of drop,
Mhm.
usually it goes back up and then it drops down sometimes.
Yeah. So you might do another retest
Yeah.
and go.
So do you look at whole numbers like 00, 500, 200, 800 and stuff like that?
No, I don't. But I know people. I know some of my friends do, and they are killing it with those. They're on point with those numbers.
Oh shit, yeah.
But I never use it.
Oh my god, you're up 1000% again, man.
I think because that this week was the Brexit, that's why the pips amount is very high.
Yeah.
All right, so that
Nice
is
one,
the London, New York pre-New York trade. Let's go to New York Open. Let's see what it happens, but I'm not gonna take a trade. That is 12.
So Daryl, you trade GJ only too?
Yeah, I also only trade GJ.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I'm trading like EJ, GJ, and UJ.
Nah,
Yeah,
only trade.
I think I need to stick to one pair. Because EJ, I noticed that EJ and GJ moves the same at London Open.
All right.
Yeah. But the moves are much bigger at GJ.
Yeah, GJ moves quite good. So
Yeah. Yeah, because GJ, you need to have a bigger stops, right?
yeah, I suppose if you know it, as you can see, we haven't been having massive stops. I think the biggest stop we've had is 20 pips.
Yeah. Yeah, you need to be the. Yeah, you need to do your zones correctly.
Yeah, and
And
catch the
know the-
move. You know what I mean? Catch it, and know exactly that. Okay, this is how it's going to react.
Yeah, what to look for. Yeah.
Quentin, would you say that 5-minute chart is strong confirmation as well?
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I draw the zone on 30 minutes, mostly 30 minutes, the zone, and 15 minutes. And then for the confirmation candles, is from 15 and 5 minutes.
Because looking at it, it does. Like normally they say don't follow the 5-minute because it's not really strong confirmation, but it actually is because it's my
Yeah.
second day looking at it and
Yeah.
observing it. And
It is
quite
strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like this one, this candle is good, this candle is good, right? 5 minutes is good to look at, but sometimes it's hard because sometimes it fake out, especially fake outs on GJ. So you just gotta know what time of the day it is. That's why I pick those time I trade, because
So you
those
only
time
trade pre-London and
pre-London, pre-New York, and pre-London close.
oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why I picked those time. And other times I found is more fake out.
Mm.
Those are my those are secret sauce of the time.
Yeah, I got them written up.
Yeah, so 14 hour is the pre-London. Let's fix some chart.
Is this pre-London close now?
Yeah. So close at 15 hour.
Mm-hmm.
And I start at 1 hour before it close. So I'm gonna play with this range. Shall we take a buy here? Mm. 18 pips. Does this two candle look like a rejection for me? But
I think you should wait for a 30 minutes to close, maybe, to see if you see any bullish candles. Yeah.
Yeah, because especially for London close, I don't like taking trade like uncertainty.
Yeah.
When it's if this candle happens here, then I would take it right away. I take it buy, but this one I don't like it. So let's continue. If this break, oh, 3 candle. Let's go for it. 3 candles.
Morningstar.
Yes.
Correct, Daryl.
So London just closed 20 minutes
Yeah.
ago.
So will you consider this the TP1 and this the TP2, Quinton?
No, there is no just T1, just T1 here.
Okay.
This
Okay.
doesn't have T2. So for the zones, I look at for T1 is on 30 minutes if there is anything look like a support resistance, 30 minutes and 15 minutes.
Yeah.
If I don't see anything, that this is the T1. And usually T2 would be maybe around here or the range. But since it's London closed, just T1,
Yeah.
there's no T2.
Okay.
Because London closed doesn't always move crazy like goddamn Brexit, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think one more day on Friday. Let's do this.
Why not join your support at the other candle, the one recently formed?
Yeah, I just look at the recent in 30 minutes time frame, and I look at the recent low, high and low, and that's my support resistance for my next trade.
Okay.
But I also don't like this one. So I draw, but there is these three bottom here. It's crappy. So,
It's Friday as well, so oof.
yeah, I might do this a bit. If there is show resistance rejection here, I'm gonna take a buy. If it go down, I'm not gonna take a sell. You have to break this one. So what I'm aiming for is so either like this and like this, because this three kind of line up, but this zone is too ugly. So if it break retest, I'm not gonna take a sell. It have to be break this, retest here, or retest here and sell.
Okay.
And Monday, let's see. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Thursday slow down, Friday might slow too. So I'm just gonna play with that range. Let's see what happens. So London open right now, but
Oh yeah, I see.
see,
I
yes,
see
1
this
o'clock.
here.
I think this candle,
The gap here.
yeah. Oh, I didn't even see that.
Yeah, I saw it now. So gaps,
I
do
don't
you
know.
consider that like strong zones?
No, I don't know. I don't look at gap like that. The only gap I look at is the Sunday gap. The Sunday open, Monday's open gap. But I don't know what these. Maybe sometimes maybe it's news or whatever. So
Yeah.
this looks like a sell signal, but it's being very ugly right now.
Yeah.
Let's look at buy too, but sell buy, sell buy.
Not enough
I think
confirmation for me.
Yeah. So basically, oh,
was it news?
let's see. 8, 6, no, it's nothing. Maybe euro. Hold on, let's see. Check euro.
Also, the news like euro.
No, there's no
Makes
euro.
Okay.
Yeah, the news GBP, yen, euro, USD. These are the only news that I look at for GJ.
Okay.
So there's nothing. Just London drop, I guess. So we missed a sell here, but I don't like this kind of signal.
Yeah.
So I never take it. And so what we're gonna do is let's just continue.
Yeah.
So what happened is if I don't have a pre-London trade, I will extend my trade hour to 30 more minutes to 8 o'clock here. So if something come up within this 15 minutes, then I will take a trade. If not, I'm gonna skip it. If you break this zone, then I wait for retests. But it seems like it's not gonna break.
Yeah, let's say in this scenario, Will this week be filled?
If it continue to drop,
No, I don't think it should be though. Being Friday, I wouldn't go for the wick full.
yeah. If it continue to drop, sure. But
Yeah,
since
could be possibly, but
since you didn't break this one I marked the second support I marked. Since it didn't break and bullish went back, closing above this support.
Yeah.
I'm
But do you think like it can like tap down to the like 80% and then push up back up?
yeah, that makes sense. That makes
Yeah.
sense. It might go back to here.
good.
I think that makes sense, but it looks very ugly. And I'm not gonna take a trade since it's past my zone, past my time to trade. I'm gonna skip it. If it go up, I can see go back to this 30 minutes. This one. Looks like looks like a nice buy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a buy. Nice, this candle.
Yeah.
This candle. One of my friend, when they take bullish buy, this candle, that's what they use.
Okay. It's a hammer, a big hammer.
I guess so, yeah.
Yeah. Because I see on the 50 minutes, it makes like the wicks goes higher and higher.
And it makes sense.
Yeah, and also that the 30 minutes, it closed back in the range.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this candle. Pre-New York. Break, retest, rejection, down.
Yeah.
Looks like it's gonna break. Never mind. Okay, this is a good candle. Perfect candle. So last high. Perfect candle rejection. And Gonna take a this is a quick sell here. So today, Friday, looks like it's just gonna consolidate.
Yeah, you're really snipering the trades, man, Quinton.
Because as long as you draw the support resistance on point,
Yeah.
and once you see a rejection or break and retest, you can just take it right away.
Yeah.
You just gotta, drawing support resistance, the basic stuff. Just get those on point, and then you're good.
Yeah.
Hey Quinton, do you you know how you mentioned before that USD and Euro affects GJ?
Yeah.
The news. How does that affect GJ? Because normally when I look at the news, it's always got to do with GJ, like pound and yen.
Yeah. I don't know how it affect how the economy work, but I noticed that when Euro news come up, it move EJ and you move GJ too. So that's how I look at it. I don't know if it's the Euro is when the news is good or bad for Euro. I don't know if it's how it's going to move GJ, but I know it will move.
Oh, okay.
I think it must be. I think it could be because of the whole Brexit. That's what I look at it. I think because of Brexit, you know what I mean. The Euro obviously will affect that.
Mm-hmm.
The fact that Great Britain is leaving the Euro, so I think it'll work hand in hand.
Oh, okay, yeah. Thanks.
Yeah, Quinton, you got a message in the chat here.
Oh, so we basically mark out range on 30 minutes time frame before London Open, and then await confirmation 5 minutes to take entry. That's right. So 30 minutes, just 15 minutes before the time that I take trades. Mark the zone in 30 minutes, and then go to 15 or 5 minutes just to mark more precise, and then wait for confirmation candle in either 15 minutes and 5 minutes. And we are done for the day and week. Because on Friday I don't really take the London close trade, because as the week closing down, the London close is doesn't always do what you want it to do.
Yeah. Great session as usual.
It's good. So you don't look at overall direction on high time frames such as 4 hour and daily. Sometimes I do just to look at how long the wicks is on daily and the overall direction in 4 hour, but it doesn't really change what I trade on the lower time frame, because I only trade, as you can see, I just scalp or intraday, right? I don't hold the trade for a couple of days. That's why I don't really care, but it's good to know sometimes. But I think that's it for the day. Let's see. Okay. All right. I think we're done for the week. It was crazy. Brexit week is crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, you double your count. Oh no, you yeah.
Yeah. Because this, I don't think we caught this, but we caught part of this, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, goddamn Brexit. All right. I think we are good here. God damn, it was
Thanks,
long.
Quinton.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, cheers, brilliant. That was great.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks
Everyone.
very much.
Yeah, we'll do it again next week, and we'll talk to you guys later.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Nice one.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Cheers.
Bye.
Thanks,
Bye.
everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.